Hey everybody, it's Sam from Leaders RPM here in Kalamazoo, Michigan, doing a walk around of one of our Polaris Rangers we have in stock. This specific machine is a 2026 Ranger Crew XP 1000 NorthStar Ultimate. So crew model, gonna be the 4-door, and it's a NorthStar, so it's gonna have the full cab, and it's an ultimate trim, so it's gonna have all the tech goodies that gets you as well. Starting on the front, gonna have your bumper up here, 4,500 pound Polaris Pro HD winch. You'll have a toggle switch on the dash for controlling that winch, or you do have a little wireless remote, so you can use that winch while you're standing outside of the machine at a little distance away. Gonna have LED headlights here, 29-inch tires on the machine all the way around. For a windshield, gonna have their glass tip-out windshield, including a wiper and washer. So this is that tip-out window. You can unlock it at the handle, kick it out so it's parallel to the ground while you're driving, let some air inside the cab. You are gonna have a center view mirror as well. No mirrors on the side doors, you can add them, but it comes with a center view mirror included there. Looking inside the cab here, as I mentioned, it's a NorthStar, so that's gonna get you HVAC, heat and AC. Gonna have all the comforts there. Plenty of vents in the front row. You have 2 vents in the rear row to keep some of that air moving in the back for your passengers. As ultimate trim model, it's gonna give you the Ride Command 7-inch display in here, GPS enabled. Also gonna give you a 2-speaker JBL audio system in here. And you're gonna have a digital gauge as well over the steering wheel on the driver's side. You're gonna have your blue LED accent lights on the inside here, and as well as an LED dome light in the front row. If you are out using it at night, need to see, you have a dome light you can kick on just like you would in your vehicle. Hard doors, front and back. They're hard poly doors. They are lockable, so you can lock them from the outside. If you had some valuables you left in there, you didn't want anyone rummaging through there while you were away from the machine. You're gonna have glass windows as well, and a glass rear window on this machine. Windows in the front are gonna be power for up and down. Windows in the back are gonna be crank. Heading towards the back of the machine, gonna have your dump box back here for doing what Rangers do best, and that's work. Below the dump box here, gonna have your 82 horsepower ProStar engine. That's a dual overhead cam, putting out plenty of power for whatever you need to do with it. On the back of the machine, you are gonna have a 2-inch receiver. You have a 2,500 pound tow capacity on here, 1,000 pound box capacity in the bed. Plenty of power, plenty of capacity to work with and do what you need with the Ranger. So I finished it up here. That looks like it's for me. Again, this is Sam from Leaders RPM in Kalamazoo, showing you one of our Rangers we have here in stock. If you have any questions on this machine or something else we have in inventory, please get a hold of me. Phone number is 269-372-1072. You can text us through the website too if that's easy, leadersrpm.com. It's a great way to get a hold of us, especially after hours on something. So thank you very much for watching. You have a good day.